Oh, I forgot that my bike dies if I keep the fan running like that. Good thing I turned it on in time. Yeah, R1Ms have a battery problem when the fan kicks in. If you leave the ignition on without turning on your engine, it's gonna die, so. Alright. Woo, baby. So yeah, I was telling you guys, if you don't have a bike, if you're contemplating getting a bike, if you're not getting a bike because family, friends, whoever is telling you it's too dangerous, honestly, screw everyone, go get a bike. You're not gonna regret it. This is currently like by far one of my favorite hobbies, one of like the best things that I enjoy doing. And if anyone is trying to keep that happiness from you, then honestly, screw them. Go get that bike. I know that guy. Go get the bike. Have fun with it. Enjoy your life. Because honestly, life is too short, man. And I don't know, like, you need to experience this. This is just like amazing, and I wouldn't let go of this for whatever, you know what I mean? A lot of people were telling me, oh, are you gonna get back to riding, blah blah blah, wasn't your accident kind of scary, all that stuff. I'm like, yeah, it was, but I don't know, if one bad thing happened to you, it doesn't mean you gotta stop doing everything and just pretty much give up, you know what I mean? This is my passion and I don't plan on stopping. Hopefully we won't be crashing anymore, or we will be more safe. Definitely the accident like made me more aware. Nice. More aware and more kind of self-conscious about everything. Even though I know you guys are gonna roast me for not wearing gear, but hear me out, guys, hear me out. There isn't really much I can do about it. I really wanted to go on a ride and I cannot go riding in proper gear right now because I'm not fully healed, you know? I would say I'm like 80% healed, maybe 75. Like, it doesn't feel the best to ride right now, but like, it's worth it. I'm not like 100% back still, and I'm just trying to have some fun. Quiet due to all the cops, but yeah, go get a bike. Let me talk a little bit also about what bike you should get started on. If you're a crazy person in general, drive or ride aggressively or whatever it is, you don't think that you can stress yourself on one of these bikes, then start small, man. Get a 300 or even a 400, because 400s are still like, you know, they have a little bit more power, they're a little fun. And just take it slow. Learn to respect the bike. Learn from other people's mistakes. You know, like, go watch my crash video. Watch other people crashing. That'll kind of like humble you and show you that, like, you know, even MotoGP racers, they crash. Riding, it's similar to driving. Like, if driving a car, at some point you're gonna crash. You know what I mean? It might not be your fault, it might be your fault, you never know. You can't 100% be aware of everything and avoid a crash. So, oh, that's a GTR right there. Should I go next to it? Oh, I'm definitely gonna do that. GTR. Looks like a new one too. But yeah, just start small, work your way up. Just, you gotta realize that these bikes can't kill you if you're not like aware, you know what I mean? Build up your skill and then slowly take it one day at a time and just enjoy it, you know? Just don't overthink it. Most people that want to get started into riding, they always overthink it. They're like, I want to do this, but my family, but I'm too afraid to crash. But just stop with the buts and just do it while you can, because you know one day you're going to be older and more responsible and you're going to be like, it's too late. Let's see if the V4 dude is still here. He was probably going to the gas station. Let's hunt him down. He's probably thinking that I'm hardcore squidding, which I am, but you know, circumstances. That was a clean GTR though. I'm getting back the hang of it. When I first got on the bike, I was like, whoa. Nice. But yeah, I'm glad nothing worse happened in the crash. Sad to see the V4 gone, sad to, you know, have to recover for that long of a period, but at the end of the day, I'm glad that I can still ride. See, I'm playing it safe. Usually I would go. I'm just gonna wait for the cars to pass by. Playing it extra safe because I do not want another bike down, nor more recovery time. That sucked. I feel like I'm gonna burn the clutch. I'm like holding the clutch a little too long to pretty much avoid the bike jumping on me. I don't want like my hand to randomly, like, you know, shoot some sharp pain and I freak out and drop the bike somehow. Yo, it's hot. Let me pop up the visor. Come on, Mazda, go. Yeah, look at me. I'm not even stopped anymore. I can roll slow. Getting back my control on the bike. H2 on the other hand is going to be a different story. Yeah, I'm definitely going to wait to heal better to ride that bike because I care about it more, so I don't want to crash it. And also, it's way more, or like just harder to ride than this bike. No V4 here. It's way too hot. The bike is getting hot. I feel it in my legs. Police animal service. Well, I'm an animal on this bike, so I don't want to get caught by them. I'm definitely not as confident with the bike as I used to be, but that's okay. I feel like that's normal since I haven't ridden in so long and I'm not at like 100%. I'm just glad I can be back on this beast. My wrist is definitely starting to hurt. I didn't film the outro, so I'm just back here. Put the bike successfully back in the garage. Honestly, that was the hardest part of the entire ride because, you know, I can't really put that much weight on this hand, so I had to roll the bike back and put it back on the stand. You guys can see. But yeah, just wanted to do the outro. And I want to tell you guys, if you guys want to get a bike, go ahead and just get yourself one. You're not going to regret it. It's a lot of fun. It's more than just a hobby, you know, it's a passion for a lot of people, and I think if you're real about this life, you're gonna love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, support, subscribe, whatever you can do to support the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.